Good morning, all of you. Yes, today we are going to revise the chapter Exponents and Power. So, first question, you have to fill this blank with the proper option given over here. Okay, so here you can see it is given 7 cube whole to the power 4. 7 cube whole to the power 4. Now, before going to the option, you first solve by yourself. What should be that? Okay, so what properties, what laws of exponent you have learned? Can you remember? It is in which form? In which form it is written? Yes, it is written in the form a to the power m whole to the power n. So what you have learnt about that? What you have learnt about that? A to the power m whole to the power n. Yes, it will be a to the power m into n. A to the power m into n. Okay, so which option will be correct over here? It is 7 to the power 3 whole to the power 4. So it will be 3 into 4. Okay, so that will be 7 to the power how much? 3 into 4. Here a is which one? 7. M is what? 3. N is what? 4. So a to the power m into n. So a is our 7. M into n. M into n. So 3 into 4. 12. Okay. So don't do the mistake. First option is incorrect because they have done addition. 3 plus 4 they have done. So incorrect option. Yes, this is the correct option. This one, they have subtracted over here. 3 minus 4. No, it is not the rule. So this option also incorrect. Okay, 7 to the power 1. They have done 4 minus 3. That option also incorrect. When you will get in this form, it will be power will get multiplied. Okay, whenever you will get this type of form a to the power m whole to the power n. So you have to do m into n. I hope this one clear. Okay, moving on to the next question. Yes, now second question. Here also you have to fill that blank. It is given 2 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 4. So what will be that? Just recall what you have learned about the laws of exponent. In which form it is written? Just recall in which form it is written. It is written a to the power m into a to the power n. You see, what is the value of a? Here it is 2. What is the value of m? Minus 3 and n value 4. M, n are different integers. Minus 3 and 4. Okay, but base is same. Here also base 2, here also base 2. Okay, base same, power different and both are multiplied. So what formula we use there? Yes, base we will write as it is, and since it is multiplication, here first of all you just see base is same or not. Yes, base same, so write down base as it is. And now see it is multiplied over here. Okay, so power will get added. M plus n. A to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. So here also we will do the same thing because it is totally like this form only. Here a is our 2. So you write 2 as it is. Now, since it is multiplication sign over here, so power will get added. Okay, so minus 3 we have as m plus what we have as n? 4. So, how much it will come? How much that will come? 2 to the power? 2 to the power minus 3 plus 4. So, plus minus, you have to do minus. So 4 minus 3 you do 1. Okay. And greater number is 4. Before that plus sign. So plus 1. So 2 to the power 1 means how much? 2 is multiplied only one time. Okay. So it will be 2 only. Okay. So here you have to identify in which form they are present. Okay. Now moving on to the next one. Okay. In the third question, same thing. You have to fill the blank. Fill this blank. Okay. Now it is given 5 to the power 5 divided by 5 to the power minus 3. 5 to the power 5 divided by 5 to the power minus 3. So here you just identify which laws of exponent is looking just similar to this. You see 5 base here 5, here also base 5. Okay, so base same. Now powers are different. Okay, write m, n. Now in between them there is division sign. So what you have learnt about that? This can also be written as a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Both are same only. Okay. So what formula you have learnt about that? If it is in this form, when the base is same, then when the base is same and there is division sign, okay, so power we have to subtract. We have to, if it is a to the power m divided by a to the power m, then we will write a to the power m minus n. In case of multiplication over here, a to the power m plus n, but in case of division, a to the power m minus n. Okay, so here also it is looking like the same thing. Here a means what? 5. M is 5. N is minus 3. So here also we will do the same thing. So a is our 5. Here our a is 5. Now m minus n. M is our how much? 5. M is 5 over here. Minus, what is our n now? N is our this total thing. What is there in our power? Okay, so minus 3. That minus 3 you have to keep in bracket. Because this minus is this one. After that I have to write n. N is also having negative term. Okay, so minus 3. Now what will be the value? Solve. So you will be getting 5 to the power 5. Now minus minus plus and 3 is there. So it will come 5 to the power 5 plus 3. How much? 5 plus 3? Yes, 8. So answer will be 5 to the power 8. Okay. Now next one. Now here you have few fill in the blanks over here. So here you can see first one 1000 to the power 0. So it looks so big, means there will be much calculation. No, it is not. Every time remember, anything to the power 0 is always equals to 1. Any number, anything to the power 0 means it will come 1. Okay, anything to the power 0 means 1. If it is 1000 to the power 0, 1 to the power 0, 10,000 to the power 0, it will always come 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Now, 21 to the power 1. 21 to the power 1. Always remember, anything to the power 1, it is that number itself. Whatever number, whatever base we are having, that will be there. Anything to the power 1 means what? That number is getting multiplied only one time. It is present only one time. Okay, so it will be that number only, that number itself. Okay, so 21 to the power 1, how much? It will be 21 only. Okay, now it is given 1 to the power 100. Okay, if you multiply 1 2 times, how much you will get? 1 into 1, 1. If you multiply 3 times, 1 into 1 into 1, again you are getting 1. If you multiply 100 times also, you will get 1 only. 1 to the power 100 means what? 1 is getting multiplied 100 times. How many times you multiply 1? Okay, it will come 1 only. Okay, now there are two more questions under question number 4. Now here, minus 1 to the power 3. That means what? Minus 1 getting multiplied 3 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So here what you can see? First of all, you multiply all the 1. You will get 1 only. Now if you multiply minus now. So whenever 1 minus is present, it will be minus only. If 2 minus term getting multiplied, minus minus, it becoming plus. 3 negatives get multiplied, again what you will get? Minus into minus into minus, minus minus plus, plus into minus, you will get finally minus. In that way, you can just see when there is even number of terms, even number, okay, there will be plus. Okay, when the power is even, so that time it becomes plus. When it is odd, that time minus. Okay, if you take minus 4 times, so what I will get over here? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, again minus into minus plus. So finally we will get plus over here. Okay, so here what will be our sign? Here what will be our sign? Here minus 1 to the power cube is there. Okay, minus 1 getting multiplied odd number of times. So minus will remain. Okay, because minus minus plus, plus into minus minus. Since it is the power is odd over here, so minus sign will retain. Okay, now minus 1 is getting multiplied 8 times. Minus 1 to the power 8. Minus 1 to the power 8. So here it is even number. 8 is even number. So if you multiply minus even number of times, we will get plus. Okay, so we will get plus, and 1 is getting multiplied 8 times. So we will obviously get 1, because 1, how many times we will multiply? We will get 1 only. Now it is a question about the sign. So if that sign is multiplied, minus is multiplied odd number of times, then the minus will retain. If minus is multiplied even number of times, it becomes plus over here. Okay. Okay. So you have understood about this, when there will be negative, when there will be positive according to the power. Okay. Now you try this two sum. You pause the video and try this two sum. Okay, so here minus 2 to the power 3. That means what? Minus 2 is getting multiplied 3 times. Okay, since negative is multiplied odd number of times, so minus will retain. You can also see over here, minus into minus plus, then plus into minus minus. Minus will retain over there. Now 2 to the power 3. You see here, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power 3. So how much you will get? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. So our answer will be minus 8. Okay, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and minus is getting multiplied odd number of times, so minus will retain over there. Okay, now minus 5 to the power 4. So minus sign, it is getting multiplied even number of times, so answer must come in plus. And 5 to the power 4, what is the value of 5 to the power 4? 5 into 5, 25. Again there, 5 into 5, 25. What is 25 into 25? Yes, 625. So minus 5 to the power 4 means minus 5 is getting multiplied 4 times. Okay, so minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. So finally you see, even number of times it is getting, we are getting plus only. Now 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 5, 25. Now 25 into 25, how much you will get? It will be 625. You multiply, you will get 625. Okay, so answer will come plus 625. Okay. Okay, next question. Now in this question, so it is given 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 2. Now our power is negative. So 2 by 3 to the power minus 2. Now if you want to change the power into positive, you want to change minus 2 into plus 2. So what will happen? When the power changes from plus 2 to minus 2, minus 2 to plus 2, you are changing negative exponent into positive. So the base, whatever we have over here, okay, it get reciprocal. Here we are having 2 by 3. So inside it will become 3 by 2. So whenever we are changing the power, sign of the power, not the value. Whenever we are changing the sign of the power, without changing the value of that power, value means numerical value, not the sign, magnitude 1. Okay, so you see only I have changed the power, not that number. Okay, it is remaining 2 only minus 2 plus when I am doing. That time what is happening? This part base over here, it is getting reciprocal. Okay, now it is easy to solve. You can easily just divide this one whenever it is in which form? It is in the form of a by b to the power m. It is in the form of a by b to the power m. So what we used to write? A to the power m. So m gets divided into 2. Okay, a to the power m and b to the power m. So here also similarly we can write 3 to the power 2 divide by 2 to the power 2. Okay, now you can easily calculate. Okay, 3 to the power 2 means 3 into 3, that is 9, divide by 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4. So this is another new one. So here we have applied two things. First of all, we changed this sign. Okay, whenever we will change the sign, this part will get reciprocal. Okay, similarly, if you want to change the sign, just do the back one. If you have this one, you want to change into negative exponent. So what you have to do? This inside part will get reciprocal. You see, it is 3 by 2 here. It is becoming 2 by 3 now. Okay, and one more thing we have applied is this one. If it is in the form of a by b whole to the power m, we can just separate them as a to the power m divided by b to the power m. So 3 by 2 whole square is there. So I can do 3 square divided by 2 square. Okay. Now next one. Now try this one. This question you try. Pause the video and try. Same thing we have to apply. Yes. Here we have 5 to the power minus 2. Okay, we have 5 to the power minus 2. So when I will change this power, sign of that power, so that part will get reciprocal. It is now 5. What is the reciprocal of 5? It is 1 by 5, because 5 means nothing is there in the denominator, means 1 is there. 5 is there means denominator what? 1. Okay, so it is in the form of 5 by 1. So if I change the sign over here, it will get reciprocal. Now it is 5 by 1. So here it will get 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5. Now how much that is? So you now divide them. Okay, so it is 1 square divided by 5 square. So 1 square how much? 1 square how much? 1 into 1. 1 to the power anything is 1 only. Okay, divide by 5 square. 5 into 5, 25. Okay, so you have just understood how to apply this one. Okay, now next one. So these are the basic parts. These are the basic parts which we will take the help from this concept to solve a complicated problem. Okay, a bigger problem. You have question simplify. So in that process, when the question is simplify some expression in exponent power given. Okay, when they have written simplify, so there we will try to apply this all the laws we have discussed now. We will try to apply all the laws we have discussed till now. Okay, whenever we will get this type of problem simplify, okay, there will in that question they will not mention simplify using laws of exponent, only they will state simplify. Now smartly you have to solve that question. So what you will do, you will just multiply and multiply. No, we will not just multiply big numbers. We will use the laws of exponent so that our work become easier. Why we are learning these laws of exponent? For fast calculation. For fast calculation. Okay. Now, because you have to be, maths means you have to be very fast plus accurate. Fast plus accuracy should be there. Okay. So, there is a need for laws of exponent. Okay, so whenever you will do simplification problem related to exponent and powers, okay, that time you always try to use the laws you have learned today. Whatever I have solved from question number 1 to question number 5, these are the basic part. Okay, using this basics only, we will solve the complicated parts. Okay. Now here a new type of question. So this type of question we will take the help from the laws of exponent so that we can find out the solution. How we will apply the basics what we have done till now. Okay, so here you can see if 8 by 27 multiplied by 2 by 3 whole to the power x equals to 32 by 243, find the value of x. Okay, you have to find that value of x. So how to find that value of x? So what you will do, you will take this 8 by 27 that side, then you will solve. That will be more better. That will be more better. Okay, let us try in a different method. 32 by 243. So whenever you will get this type of things, you just prime factorize. You just go for prime factorization. And then you make the 32 in the form of exponent form, 243 in the form of exponent. Okay, here also whatever you can prime factorize, here you can see 2 and 3, 2 which cannot be further prime factorized. Okay, 3 which cannot be further prime factorized, but we can prime factorize 8, 27, 32, 243. So we will go for that first. Okay, so here 8, what we can write 8. So if you do 8, so 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 8 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power 3. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power 3. 2 is getting multiplied 3 times. How many times we will write in the power? Okay, now 27. 27. 27, 3, 9s are 27. Okay, 3, 3s are 9, 3, 1s are 3. So 27 also can be written as 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 to the power 3. Okay, now rest of the thing we will write as it is, that is multiplied by 2 by 3. Now as you have learned that this power we can just separate them. Okay, it is 2 by 3, it is in the form a by b to the power m. So we used to write a to the power m divided by b to the power m. We used to separate like this method. Okay, similarly here also we will do the same thing. It is 2 by 3 to the power x. So I can write 2 to the power x divide by 3 to the power x. We can write equals to. Now 32. Again you do 32 prime factorize. So 2 16s are 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So how much you are getting? After this 2 into, so 32 you can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 is getting multiplied how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 times. So I can write 32 as 2 to the power 5. I can write 32 in the form of 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. Similarly you do for 243. Prime factorize 243. Pause the video and do. So what you will get for 243? You can take 3 over here. So 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. So 3 into 81 is 243. Now 3, how much is 81? 3 2s are 6. 2 will be remainder. So 21, 3 7s are 21. So 3 into 27 is 81. Now 27, 3 9s are 27. Okay, 3 9s are 27. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So 243 can be written in the form of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 to the power how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 3 is getting multiplied. So 3 to the power 5. Okay. So in this way we have converted all numbers in exponent power form. Okay. Now what to do? So you are seeing here all are in this form only. 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Okay. Something you are getting hint from there. Okay, now you multiply, since there is multiplication, so 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power x. 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power x. How much? 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power x. You have learnt about that. A to the power m into a to the power n. What is that? A to the power m into a to the power n. A to the power m plus n. Okay, because here you can see base is same, both are 2 base over here, and there is multiplication, both base same and there is multiplication. So what we use there? A to the power m into a to the power n is a to the power m plus n. So here also we will do the same thing. So what will come? It will come in the numerator 2 to the power 3 plus x. Yes, 2 to the power 3 plus x. Similarly, in the denominator what we are having? 3 cube into 3 to the power x. 3 cube into 3 to the power x. So that also in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n. Okay, so I can write 3 to the power 3 plus x. I can write 3 to the power 3 plus x, and it is equal to this part, 2 to the power 2 to the power 5 divide by 3 to the power 5. Up to that it is clear? Okay. Now what we will do over here? Now here you are having 2 to the power 3 plus x, 3 to the power 3 plus x. Now power you can see same over here. Power same. Okay, so you have learned a by b to the power m, we used to write a to the power m by b to the power m. Just now we have done to separate them. Okay, so back also we can write down. In back process also we can write down. If something is in this form, a to the power m divided by b to the power m, power same, power over here same, a is here 2, B is here 3. So I can just combine them in this form, A by B whole to the power m. I can just do that. Okay, A by B. So what will come for this whole part? What we can write? I can write 2 by 3. Those bases I will write in this form, A by B. So what are the bases? 2 by 3. 2 and 3 are the bases. So 2 by 3 whole to the power. Since both the powers are same, I can write over here 3 plus x. Follow this process. This thing is written over here. So I can just combine in this form. Okay, so I have combined and written 2 by 3 whole to the power 3 plus x. Now the right hand side. Right hand side what we are having? Same thing we will apply for the right hand side. It is 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5. Here also power same. And it is present in the division form. Power same. So I can write 2 by 3 whole to the power 5. I can write easily 2 by 3 whole to the power 5. Now you see in both sides of the equal to, you see base same in both the sides. LHS and RHS, you see 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So when they will equal, when the two terms will be equal, when their power also equal, that time only it is possible. When the two numbers will be equal, when 2 equals to 2 will be there. Okay, if I am writing 2 square and I am writing over here x, one side I am writing 2 square, one side I am writing 2 to the power x. Okay, 1 minute, wait. We have, if we are having, just for example I am taking, we have 2 square into 2 to the power x equal to 2 to the power x. So when this two term will be equal, base is same over here. When they will get equal, when this value of x is also 2. So what I can write? What is the value of x? X equals to 2. So this power, when it will equals to this power, then only that two terms, 2 square equals to 2 to the power x will be equal. Same thing here also. Base over here is same. 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Now when they become equal, when they will become equal, if their power also equal, so therefore they will become equal when their power, that is here the power is 3 plus x, will be equals to the that power. Okay, that is 5. So x value how much it will come? 5 minus 3, that is 2. So our x will be equals to 2. Our x will be equals to, therefore x equals to 2. So what we are just applying the concept, we have used 2 to 3 laws of exponent over here and our work become easier. Okay, so anyhow this type of question you have to bring base same or power same, then you have to compare. According to the question it will depend, then you have to compare. So if you compare, then when they become equal, because base is same, when they will become equal if the power also same. So power you equate, you will get the value of x. This power should be equal to that power, you will get the value of x. Okay, I am giving one more question based on this only, you try at home. Okay, and any doubt regarding this you ask in your respective DCC classes. Okay, try this at home. 5 square into 5 to the power x minus 5 equals to 625. So accordingly you have prime factorize and you just equate, just like the previous one I have done. Okay, and any doubt in this question you ask in your DCC. Second question, 5 to the power 4 whole to the power 5. What will be the value? You keep in exponent form only. Okay, no need to calculate by multiplication all the terms. Now third question, it is minus 3 by 4 whole to the power 4. So here how to separate and how to do, then you multiply that thing, and because 2 to the power 4 is there, you can easily multiply and small numbers are there. So you multiply and give the solution. Okay, now few more questions are there. Okay, so fourth question, minus 25 by 31 whole to the power 2 whole to the power 0. Okay, you have to find the value of that. Okay, be smart and find the value. Question number 5, 2 to the power minus 5 equals to how much? What is the value you have to calculate? So you know how to convert first. You have to convert that power into positive power. How to convert that we have told in this video. So you do accordingly. Okay, and if any difficulty, you ask in your DCC classes. Okay, so today up to that only. Thank you.